Okay, welcome traders. Welcome now to this review of gold, which we're going to look at here. We looked at it last week, right? And let's just see what happened in this week, right? Of course, we had that news of the dollar on Wednesday, the interest rate decision, which showed strength on the dollar, as you can see here, by gold falling on the Wednesday. That's a 430 pip drop. That was gold falling on Wednesday. That's because of the strength of the dollar, which the dollar has been strong from the previous week. We saw that, and it's continuing. As you can see, okay, a break of the trend line on Friday, but basically gold was selling after a bit of consolidation Monday, Tuesday. Okay, then Wednesday it fell through the floor. There's a bit of a retracement now there on Friday. Let's see. Yeah, still playing in that zone, but basically this is trapped volume above. We'll see trapped volume above 2630, we can say. Let's see how this plays out. All right, so if you sign up with my recommended broker below, depending on when you do, you'll get access to extra content, and one of those is the extension of this video where I show you trades that paid and set up this week. So let's have a look at that right now. In this video, let's see the trades that paid on gold. Like I said, dollar strength was continuing, guys, so we are looking for sells on gold. That's what we were looking for. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, let's see what came up. We all know the big move was on Wednesday, but basically